Hey everyone, today let's dive into the game-changing world of Power Apps with the revolutionary Copilot feature. Alright, let's get to the meat of the matter, enabling Copilot. The process is pretty straightforward. Firstly, make sure your user language is set to English. For those in the US, UK, Australia, and certain parts of Europe like France, Germany, Norway, and Switzerland, you'll find that Copilot is either enabled by default or available but off by default. For my friends in Asia, Canada, South Africa, South America, South Korea, India, Japan, and the United Arab Emirates, Copilot is there for you too, but it might be off by default. If you find Copilot off by default in your region, don't worry, it's an easy fix. Your environment admins can change the move data across region settings in the Power Platform Admin Center. Just navigate to Environments, select your environment, and then Generative SI features. To make sure you're fully informed about your region's policy on enabling Copilot and Generative AI features, I highly recommend checking out the Power Platform documentation on Microsoft Learn. It's a treasure trove of information that can help you out. So there you have it. If you've got more questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.